Today I'll be making a whiskey sour. In the measuring cup is the freshly squeezed lemon juice that we need for the recipe, and these recipes are from liquor.com, and the links will be in the video description, including the recipe. And I have Centennial Rye, and I made simple syrup at home. All it takes is half a cup of water and half a cup of sugar, and then you just heat it until the sugar dissolves and then chill it. And this is Angostura bitters, and a shot glass just for measuring. And normally I don't measure, but for the video I like to try to be as accurate as possible so nobody comments, "Oh, that's not how you do it." So anyway, let's get started. Since the lemon juice is in there and it's already, I'll just add the 2 shots of rye. You can also use bourbon. And I'm mixing it in a measuring cup because I have a chilled rocks glass, so I don't want to, mix it in there. And now the next thing would be the ½ ounce of simple syrup. You don't have to measure it, you can eyeball it. And here's the simple syrup. The recipe does call for, like, an optional ingredient is egg white, and I don't really want eggs in anything that I'm drinking. So now we would just basically stir it and then add the bitters last once it's in the rocks glass. Now I've stirred it, I'll go get the rocks glass. And now I've got the rocks glass, so I'll just pour that into there. And then now we'll add the bitters. It says 3 to 4 drops. Well, first of all, this doesn't have a dropper, so we'll just basically add a splash. That should be enough. Now I'll give that a quick stir. If you added the egg white to it, then it would probably look nice to just drop it on the egg white, but then you would have to froth the egg white. Now I'll grab some ice. Now I will add the ice. I will only add like 2. Don't want to water it down too much. Now we'll give it a quick taste test, and like I said, the recipes and links are in the video description. And now here's the taste test. Oh, it's actually pretty good. It is definitely sour, but that's the whole point of a whiskey sour. I think this would be a great drink for summer, so we'll give it a try. And thanks for watching. Subscribe or visit my YouTube channel.